Welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, your ultimate destination for all things related to natural remedies and healthy lifestyle. On this channel, we are passionate about sharing powerful, natural solutions for common health issues. Our content includes recipes, tips, and information to help you thrive on a natural lifestyle. We strive to inspire and educate as we explore the healing power of nature. If you find our content valuable, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video to help us spread the word. Now let's dive into today's topic. Today we're tackling a common health issue: high blood pressure and stress. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a condition where the force of blood against the artery walls is consistently too high. This can lead to serious health problems, including heart disease and stroke. Stress, on the other hand, is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. And while it's a normal part of life, excessive stress can contribute to high blood pressure and other health issues. The common causes for both conditions can range from an unhealthy diet, lack of physical activity, excessive alcohol consumption, to a high-stress lifestyle. The impacts of these conditions on health are significant, with potential for serious long-term damage if left unmanaged. This makes it crucial to find ways to manage high blood pressure and stress effectively. But worry not. We have a delicious and natural remedy for you, a herbal smoothie. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to prepare this health-boosting herbal smoothie. This delicious and nutritious beverage is filled with ingredients known for their beneficial effects on blood pressure and stress management. Our first ingredient is spinach, a leafy green packed with heart-healthy nutrients like potassium and magnesium. We'll need 2 generous handfuls of fresh spinach. Next up is celery, another blood pressure-friendly ingredient. We'll use 2 stalks of celery, chopped into manageable pieces. Our smoothie's sweetness comes from bananas, a fruit rich in potassium and known for its stress-reducing properties. We'll use 2 ripe bananas, peeled and sliced for easy blending. Now let's talk about the herbs that give our smoothie its therapeutic edge. The first is hawthorn, a herb celebrated for its heart-healthy benefits. We'll need 2 teaspoons of dried hawthorn berries. Our second herb is holy basil, also known as tulsi. Renowned in Ayurvedic medicine for its stress-relieving properties, we'll use 1 teaspoon of dried holy basil leaves. To prepare the smoothie, start by washing the spinach and celery thoroughly. Next, place them in a blender followed by the banana slices. Then, add the hawthorn berries and holy basil leaves. If you're using a high-powered blender, you can add these ingredients directly. If your blender is less powerful, consider grinding the herbs into a powder before adding them to ensure a smooth finish. Finally, add a cup of water or any unsweetened plant-based milk of your choice to aid blending. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If you prefer a colder smoothie, consider adding a few cubes of ice. Pour your smoothie into a glass and it's ready to enjoy. This recipe makes enough for 2 servings, so you can share the health benefits with a loved one or save the second serving for later. Enjoy this smoothie daily for best results. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. So there you have it, a simple and delicious herbal smoothie to help manage high blood pressure and stress. Let's recap. This smoothie, brimming with nature's finest herbs, can reduce blood pressure, nurture relaxation, and boost overall wellness. Remember, the journey to health is not a sprint, but a marathon. Incorporating such recipes into your daily routine is a step in the right direction. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this recipe helpful. Subscribe to our channel and share this video to help others discover natural remedies. Stay healthy and see you in our next video.